All right, so now we're going to put some power and communication in. So pretty much the same thing. I've given you some ones that you can use. So if I go to my load family, so insert load family, right? And I'm not going to talk about code right here. I'm just going to talk about um, entering these guys. Um, so I'm going to pick the outlet duplex, a GFI. There's a range outlet, right? There's a telephone, data, and thermostat. So I'm just going to open these guys, and you'll see them start to populate into my electrical fixtures. So let's just go ahead and pick the duplex outlet first. So if I bring this guy in, right, it will start to place this on a wall. So, and I'm, again, if you use the Revit ones, they're not going to show up, but these that I gave you, they have that little um, invisible line that goes up and shows the, so it will show for the section cuts for the reflected ceiling plans. Let's go ahead and pull the range one out, right? So the range just has that 220 with the triple line in it. And let's go ahead and let's see, what else did I bring in? Oh, here's the thermostat, right? So you can come in and pull, whoops, don't want to open it, just want to pull that thermostat in, right? So there's a thermostat, and I think, didn't I have, all right, we're going to go get the telephone now and put that in. And actually, it came in under telephone devices. I don't know, I could really go in and put it under the electrical, but I did this under telephone and data. And so if I come in and pull this guy out, right, you've got a double sort of telephone data one. Let's take a look at this. Okay. We can make a couple more, so that's a duplicate telephone data. And maybe I'll show you guys in the next one how to sort of create your own, and I'll save it out. But those are pretty simple. So you would go in and by code put these in, however you needed them. Um, so let's go ahead and switch outlet. Here's a GFI outlet, right? So if I pull this guy out, here's a outlet that sets a 42, for counter height. Here's one that's waterproof, right? So out tide. Here's one that's just a regular GFI, right? And then I also have an outlet that's just annotated. So this one's just for custom. Like you could go ahead and put text in there. If you go to the edit type, right, here's the label, and there's like the height above finished floor if you wanted to put that in. So you could just say, custom in here, and it would update, right? So you can kind of come in and put things in on that one as you will. It's more of a customized version. So those are those guys. If you have a switched outlet, then you would have a single pole. So if I came in and pulled out my single switch and place this guy over here, right? And then I just create similar here. You can switch. Whoops, something I always forget to do. You can switch that guy like that. And also, I would like to point out these are three-dimensional, but oftentimes what I will put in, and let me see if I have this guy. I think I put it in this one. Let's go ahead and take a look. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, I usually put a note in unless we've really gone in and looked at it. Review all final lighting locations, dimming options, and groupings with owner because sometimes the switches, they get really busy. And so even though Revit puts these switches on the walls, it's not going to, it'd be a real pain to put four, model in four of those and get those all to work visually. So I would put that note in it. All right.